girl Felicia Yum, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share. If you are back to my channel, thank you so much for your support. It truly motivates me and keeps me going, so thank you. I'm going to be doing a sunset look. I did this look previously a couple days ago and I got such great feedback from it. It's always amazing when somebody notices the effort and hard work that you put into makeup, because lo and behold, sweetie, it's not easy. So to start, I'll be using my Professional. And this is just to kind of give my skin a smoother surface to work on. Like I said, I have been having some textural irregulations with my skin at the moment. I do need that primer base to kind of help me out as far as having a flat surface to work on. But for now, it is clearing up, so that's always a good thing. I am going to jump off camera and do my eyebrows because I feel like every video that I have literally posted has a eyebrow tutorial in it, and nothing has changed since the last video. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, my eyebrows are officially on. Today I'm going to be using my favorite foundation because this foundation is super light. My NYX Total Control. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add a few drops to my face. And I'm just going to dab that in. And notice I don't really put foundation on my forehead because I'm going to be contouring my forehead. What keeps me motivated to make YouTube videos? Honestly, what keeps me motivated is my family and friends, and just like the people that are supporting me. The fact that I'm just popping a camera in front of me and just doing what I typically do and getting recognition for that is really, you know, humbling, and just, it feels good. Even though I don't feel like I'm the best at makeup, somebody out there is a level below me and is really appreciating what I'm teaching them. So that is what definitely keeps me motivated. Alright, so I just finished patting out my foundation. Now I'm going to go into contour, and I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills stick in Truffle. I'm going to start with my forehead. I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my buffing brush by e.l.f. Another question is, how hard is it creating content? It is actually not that hard to create content, but to create quality content is a different story. I have a black book that I write all my thoughts in, whether it's a vlog that I want to do in the future or a makeup look that I'm interested in doing. But anything that I have that comes to mind, I make sure I jot it down. It is a process when trying to create quality content. You have to consider time, you have to consider battery life, you have to consider shots, angles. As of right now, I'm just easing my way into this with just my makeup tutorials, hoping that I help somebody out there. But eventually, I want you guys to stay tuned. I will be experimenting with this channel in so many different avenues. I just want to make this a lifestyle channel, not just makeup. But makeup is my true love, so yeah. So I'm gonna jump into my highlight. I'll be using my Fenty Beauty. We're gonna go ahead and blend that out with our blending sponge. And notice how I didn't put as much as I typically do. I'm gonna go over it once more with a lighter concealer under my eyes. But like I said, since I'm going to the gym, I didn't want to overdo it, so yeah. Alright, so we're going to go back over that highlighter under my eyes with the Sephora concealer, and this is Bright Future in color Cream Caramel. I'm just going to place a little bit in the darker areas. This just let that get tacky so it can kind of stay saturated under my eye. Alright, so another question. What is my biggest challenge? Yes, that's a good question. First, it is definitely time management, because as much as I do my makeup, not every day I have the ability to film, because I also work a part-time job. I have a family. It's just, it can get a little bit of, not a hassle, definitely not a hassle, because it's something I enjoy doing, but it can get a little bit time consuming when you're trying to shoot a quality video. You have to consider everything. So time management is definitely one. Number two would be trying to work your videos, because it's not easy trying to get views on your videos. I've noticed, I'm learning that you literally have to work your videos, and it's crazy because if you think about being the content creator, you're literally doing everything. I'm doing my makeup, I'm shooting it, I'm editing it, and it's just like, just, you know, keep it together, be consistent, and just work at it, work hard. So alright, so we allowed my concealer to get tacky. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lightly blot that out. So now we're gonna move on to blush, and for blush, I guess we'll keep it, you know, kind of natural. So I'm going to use my Peachy Love Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. After blush, we're going to move on to our setting powder, and this is my Laura Mercier. You guys know this is my favorite. And I'm going to take my blending sponge and dip it inside. I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead and under my chin. And I'll be using two of my favorite palettes today. This one is Boss Mood Palette. Of course, you guys have seen this palette plenty of times in my tutorials, because this is my most used one. And then I'm going to be using the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, and this palette is, okay, so yes, this is she. And this is, oh, I think I messed up. We're gonna start with my Boss Mood palette, and I'm gonna be using Fired Up. Say hi to my friend. Yeah. And the brush that I'm using, I actually got this from the Lunar Beauty palette. It came with it. Next, we're going to cut our crease, and I'm going to use the concealer that I previously used for under my eye, put a little bit on the back of my hand, use my detailer brush by Real Techniques. I don't know what they call this, a half a moon or whatever the hell. They have so many names for different techniques, but I'm just going to stay right in the middle. Out, and I'm going to use one of my brushes to kind of blend that out. Same for the other eye. To our Lunar Beauty palette, and this palette is amazing. We're gonna be using Campy. Alright, so we're gonna place Campy right where we just finished cutting, and we want to pack it on as heavy as possible so that pigment can really come through. So you're definitely gonna get a pop of yellow in the middle. Now for our edges, we're gonna go ahead and use red carpet, kind of tie in the yellow and the orange together. Blended out our eyeshadow, we're gonna move on to our winged eyeliner, and I'm gonna do this off camera as well, guys. I have a video that will give you the precise instructions on how to get the perfect eyeliner up here for you guys who are struggling with the perfect winged eyeliner. I have a video that's perfect for you, so I'm gonna go off camera, do my winged eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied my winged eyeliner as well as some falsies. I'm not sure which ones these are. I think these are the Ardell natural ones. I don't have the packaging for these, but these are, I believe the naturals, and you can kind of see they're still drying, so you can see the glue, but something slight, nothing serious, like I said. And these are comfortable. This is one thing I really appreciate about Ardell, is that they make eyelashes comfortable to wear. Most of the eyelashes that I buy make my eyes water, make them run, and live. So Ardell, you know, this is my Urban Studios foundation brush, and I'm going to use my NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat foundation powder in Nutmeg, and it's broken, so I'm gonna have to hold it this way. I'm just gonna place a little bit here and clean up my setting powder. Now we're gonna bake under our cheekbones using Huda Beauty and Blondie. And I have learned to really appreciate Huda. Like at first I wasn't really feeling it, but I do like it. I just wish I got the correct color for under my eye. This is more for my cheekbones. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and chisel under my cheekbones. And use my Sephora color block. Make my eyes pop a little bit more by adding some white right in the corner of my waterline. There you get like a little pop of color. So I'm gonna use my How Many Carats Fenty Diamond Balm highlighter, and I love this highlighter. Use my fan brush, place a little bit on my forehead. No, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose. A little bit on my cheekbones. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off my setting powder. Using my same powdered foundation, I'm gonna use my kabuki brush and work that in a circular motion. Line my lip with Morphe lip liner by NYX. I'm gonna use my NYX lingerie, and I'm all out of it. This is a shame. I don't even want to show you this, like, but this is Honeymoon, and this is lip lingerie. Top that with my e.l.f. lip liqueur, and this is clear, just to give it some more gloss. You can never have too much gloss. I love my lips to look, you know, popped. Bruh. Between the two, seriously, this is horrible. I have no setting powder. Oh, hold please. I'm gonna have to use my Mara Badesco, and this is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And this could also be used as a setting spray, but I really don't like it because I think I've broken out because of this, but I don't remember. I haven't used it in such a long time, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this for now and spray. and just pray that I don't break out. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the completed look. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and definitely share this video. Be sure to stay tuned for the next tutorial or the next giveaway. You never know. I'm just so random. Bye.